Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today we'll be trying the Glow Recipe Cloudberry Bright Essence Toner. This product retails for $36. There have been a lot of exciting launches from Glow Recipe, but this one is really catching my eye. This product seems to have such a great blend of ingredients in it, and also it's just such a unique product and packaging. I'm really excited for this product because it has some great standout ingredients in it, and I'm just excited to see how this product feels and how it performs. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. The only thing about this product is I did see there are so many essential oils in this product. I really hate that they did choose to go with those because I know some people are sensitive to that. It's just something to keep in mind. I personally don't have an issue with fragrance in skincare, but if you do, then definitely avoid this product. The highlighted ingredients in this product include cloudberry concentrate, glycerin, and rice water. To check out the full ingredient list, make sure you click the link in the description to go to their website. The big things I'll be looking for with this product mainly include what does this product do for my skin, and also what results do I notice with it. As for anything else, I will be continuing to check in. So I will see you all in the next check-in. Hi everyone, I'm here to give you all a quick check-in on this product. I have only been using it for a couple of days, but it seems to have a very lightweight texture to it. I know this is not why we're here, but look at this packaging. It is by far some of the prettiest packaging that I've ever seen from a product. This product is packed with a lot of great ingredients, but it also does have some fragrance in it, so just be mindful of that. It comes out really nice, and it's one of the most unique textures that I have ever seen. It definitely has a little bit of weight to it, and it is thicker when it comes out, but then it just becomes this extremely lightweight and nourishing, almost watery texture that just absorbs into the skin so nice. I just tap it in the skin and it leaves this really beautiful glow to the skin. I meant it when I said I feel like this is a very exciting launch from Glow Recipe. The smell is honestly not overpowering though. Considering how much fragrance is in this product, it doesn't seem like it's overpowering, and it doesn't stay on the skin very long. It is just a very beautiful, luxurious serum toner essence-y feel. That's about all I can tell you with this product so far. It does give a very lightweight glow, but it absorbs very quickly, and I feel like so far it would be good for all skin types. I'm going to continue using it, and then I will check in again. So I will see you all in the next check-in. Hi everyone, I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this product. I'm going to start off with the things that I liked about it, and then talk about some things that I wish this product did differently. First of all, I do feel like the unique blend of ingredients in this product was very unique to it, and it did show some fairly good results with brightening and the overall appearance of my skin. It is also an essence, so I do feel like it provided a nice hydration and enhancement to the other skincare products in my routine. There are products that I know that individually have these types of antioxidants in them, and also rice water, such as the Stratia Vitamin C that I'm going to be trying out this week on this channel, and also the I'm From Rice Toner that I've tried before on this channel. So I do feel like this product combined a great blend of ingredients that worked great for my skin personally. Now let's get to the negatives of this product. I just don't like essential oils in skincare. They're not something that I personally have an issue with, but I know so many people who are sensitive to fragrance and fragrant component ingredients like essential oils, and I really wish this product didn't have so many. The fragrance wasn't anything that lasted long on my skin, but I do feel like it is because it's such a lightweight toner. There just are so many fragrant ingredients in it, and I really wish that Glow Recipe had the option of a fragrance-free product. I hope that is something that they do in the future, but as for right now, the only reason I would recommend this product is if you are able to tolerate essential oils and fragrance. Like I said, I experienced no issue with it, but I am able to tolerate them. I know a lot of people who aren't, so if you are more sensitive, I wouldn't recommend this product for that reason. This was overall a very unique blend of a toner and essence feel, and it did absorb into the skin very quickly and nice. It really didn't leave much of the finish, but like I said, it was a nice hydration enhancer. This product is just so loaded with fragrance. For that reason, I can't recommend it for everybody. The only reason I would recommend it is if you are able to tolerate that, because this product had a great blend of ingredients in it, like I said, and it is a great product excluding the essential oils. I understand that it's part of the experience. That's why some people like skincare, but personally myself, I would rather those ingredients just not be included in the first place. So I do hope in the future they are able to release some fragrance-free options, but as for right now, if you are sensitive to fragrance, I definitely would avoid this product. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.